Hello and welcome to another navigating breath meditation. You'll be guided by myself, John Van Huyn, as we navigate the journey towards the heart. So if you'd like to find a comfortable seated position, maybe lying down if that feels better to you. Maybe you're needing some deep rest right now. So the offer is there to, really make yourself comfortable. And if it's available to you now, just closing down your eyes. Just tuning into your body right now. Maybe there's some tightness or tension. Maybe some stress. Maybe you'd like to rate how your body feels right now. 1 being extremely relaxed and 10 having a lot of tension or stress in your body. And just taking note of that. We're going to begin with 10 breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just breathing into the belly. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Just finding a pace and rhythm that suits you. Just trying to breathe as deeply and fully as possible. Noticing any tension in the belly and breathing into that. Maybe your chest is tight. Just noticing. And 2 more breaths. 1 more big breath in. And letting out. And just returning to breathing naturally through the nose. Allowing yourself to be held and supported by the earth beneath you. Just bringing your awareness back to your body, back to those gentle inhales. The invitation now to think of at least 3 things that you appreciate in your life right now. Maybe it's the time and space to do this meditation. Maybe it's having the awareness to allow yourself to meditate. Maybe it's the warmth of the sun in the sky, or the crisp, cool mornings. And the sounds of the birds. And just noticing how as you begin to list those things, you can't help but soften. And with that newfound level of appreciation, gratitude, I invite you now to bring your awareness to your heart space, that space in the center of your chest. Just imagining a pale green light in that space. And with each natural breath in through the nose, out through the nose, that light begins to grow brighter. And maybe Maybe you'd like to feel that light and its expansion by reflecting on that which you are appreciative of. The light growing brighter and brighter now as it expands through your entire chest. Feeling its warmth, that green light, the frequency of the heart. Asking your heart now, what is the next step I should take? What is it I need to know right now? And as you receive that raw response, feeling the warmth of your heart as you communicate to it, amplify and resonate through your entire body. I am loving awareness. Giving thanks now to your heart for its response, for its support, for its unconditional love. Beginning to deepen the breath now. Maybe you'd like to take check once again. How is your body feeling now on a scale of 1 to 10? How is your mind feeling? What space has been created? It's bringing awareness now to the soles of your feet. palms of your hands. Bring some gentle movement into your fingers and toes. Maybe as you breathe in, you'd like to roll your shoulders back, rotate, moving your head from side to side. And whenever you're ready, just gently blinking your eyes open and coming back into the space, taking as long as you need. Just allowing yourself to be present with this newfound spaciousness. And if you enjoyed this meditation, please let me know. If there's anything else you'd like me to make a meditation on, feel free to reach out. I always really appreciate the feedback. And until then, have a beautiful remainder of your day.